friends, I'm Laura with The Cozy Tree, where we make cozy goods and share biblical encouragement with others. Welcome to my series, Crochet Basics for Absolute Beginners. As the title suggests, I'm going to teach you the basics of crochet, how to get a project started, how to do the most common stitches, and how to finish them off. We're going to get straight to the point in each lesson so you don't have to skip halfway through the video before I even start to show the stitch. Keep in mind that we are using US crochet terms throughout. In this intro lesson, let's just cover all the terms so you have an idea of what we're going to talk about. So in the next lesson, we will learn how to do a slip knot, this is a slip knot, and a chain, which is the most common way to start a crochet project. In the following lessons, we will cover single crochet, half double crochet, and treble or triple crochet. Then we will cover how to do a slip stitch and how to fasten off, which is how a crochet project is ended. Once we've covered all those absolute basic terms, we'll go over how to do more complex stitches like puff or bobble stitches, clusters, front loops only or back loops only, and front post and back post double crochets. These ones can get a little more confusing but are easier once you know the basic stitches behind them. In each of these lessons, I will show you step by step, slowly, multiple times so you don't miss it, then show how it looks when done faster. I will be repeating things a lot for those who maybe only need one or two of the lessons so that nothing is confusing or out of context. Remember that while crochet has lots of specific terms and stitches, and ultimately the same outcomes, everyone's methods differ. Some people hold a crochet hook like a knife. Some people hold it like a spoon. Some yarn over differently than others. Some are able to feed the yarn between their index and middle fingers, while others do their index finger and thumb. So everyone learns differently, and different things work for different people. I'm going to teach you the way that works best for me, and feel free to modify your methods to work for you. All of these lessons are saved into a playlist on my channel called Crochet Basics for Absolute Beginners. Make sure to subscribe and save the playlist for easy reference in the future. And if you like these videos, turn on notifications so you can be notified of new crochet patterns and tutorials. The next lesson after this video will be how to do a slip knot and a chain to begin a basic crochet project. Hope you find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!